A mosquito factory producing billions of mosquitoes releases them into the environment. Why are they interfering with nature in ways that could endanger humanity? When these tiny creatures are responsible for millions of human deaths every year? Deep in Brazil, something strange is happening. Scientists have built a mosquito factory to produce and release 5 billion mosquitoes. With the current mosquito population already out of control, why would they choose to create even more? Let's inside know this bizarre project. Mosquitoes are infamous for carrying some of the deadliest diseases, including dengue, Zika virus, and chikungunya. Female mosquitoes rely on blood to produce their eggs, but in the process, they transmit the diseases they carry. This tiny bite can turn into a deadly threat for their victims. Scientists have the power to wipe out mosquitoes entirely, putting an end to deadly diseases forever. But the reality is far more complex. Mosquitoes aren't just carriers of disease, they play an essential role in nature. Their larvae cleanse ponds and streams, while adult mosquitoes are a key food source for birds, bats, frogs, and fish. Disrupting this balance could have ripple effects that haunt us in unimaginable ways. History has shown that when we interfere with nature, it often strikes back in ways we least expect. For years, scientists worked tirelessly, day and night, determined to find a way to stop the deadly diseases spread by mosquitoes. Their persistent efforts have finally paid off, and they've discovered a solution that could save humanity. Scientists discovered a remarkable bacteria called Wolbachia, capable of eliminating the diseases carried by mosquitoes. Also, this bacteria works by altering mosquitoes so they can only reproduce with females carrying Wolbachia. Once introduced, Wolbachia is passed from mother to offspring, spreading naturally through future generations. Over time, this could protect humans from the deadliest mosquito-borne diseases. Wolbachia is completely harmless to humans and other insects. In fact, it already exists naturally in about 50% of all insect species. But how exactly do scientists get Wolbachia into mosquitoes? To make this possible, they've built a mosquito factory capable of producing billions of modified mosquitoes. Inside the factory, male and female mosquitoes are carefully raised in a controlled environment. When the females lay their eggs, scientists collect them at an early developmental stage, when they're easiest to manipulate. Under a microscope, and with incredible precision, scientists use fine needles to inject Wolbachia bacteria directly into mosquito embryos. This delicate process ensures the bacteria integrate into the mosquito's cells as they develop. Once the injected eggs hatch into larvae and grow into adult mosquitoes, they are released into the environment to carry out their mission. As time passes, these modified mosquitoes mate with wild mosquitoes, spreading the Wolbachia bacteria throughout the population. How scientists created a baby from 3 people. Click here to find out.